How long does it take to mine one Bitcoin solo? It's a question that many in the pack have been howling about, and I'm here to break it down for you in the simplest terms. So gather around and let's embark on this digital treasure hunt together. First off, let's talk about what Bitcoin mining really is. Think of it as a digital treasure hunt. Armed with powerful computer hardware, our goal is to find a 64-digit hexadecimal code called a hash. This hash validates a block of transactions and allows new Bitcoin to enter circulation. Currently, there are around 19.5 million Bitcoin out there, and we're all hunting for the final 1.5 million. Mining involves sifting through trillions of hashes to find one that matches a block's difficulty level. This process is called hashing, and it requires significant computational power. The faster and more powerful your mining rig, the better your chances. However, it's a competitive field, with miners worldwide racing to find the correct hash. The time it takes to mine one Bitcoin varies greatly and is influenced by several factors, primarily the network's mining difficulty. This difficulty adjusts every 2016 blocks based on the number of active miners. More miners mean higher difficulty and vice versa. Every 10 minutes, a new block is mined, and the network releases a block reward. As of now, this reward stands at 3.125 thousandths Bitcoin per block thanks to the recent halving event. Solo mining means you're competing against every other miner globally. It's like being a lone wolf trying to take down a big prey. Possible, but very challenging. In Bitcoin's early days, solo mining was feasible because there were fewer miners and lower difficulty, but today it's almost impossible for one miner to claim the entire block reward. Many miners join forces in mining pools, combining their hash rates to increase their chances. In a mining pool, the rewards are distributed based on each miner's contribution. This cooperation among wolves allows for more consistent and reliable earnings. Now, to the big question, how long does it take to mine one Bitcoin solo? On average, it takes about 10 minutes to mine a block, but remember, each block currently rewards 3.125 thousandths Bitcoin, not just one. For a lone miner with a standard setup, the chances of mining a block alone are low. The actual time to mine one Bitcoin can vary widely based on your hardware's power and the network's difficulty. Realistically, solo mining isn't the most efficient path for most wolves. Powerful mining operations with economies of scale dominate the field. For individual miners, joining a mining pool or exploring cloud mining services can be more fruitful. Cloud mining allows you to lease hashing power without the hefty initial investment in hardware. Mining isn't just about the hardware, it also involves significant energy consumption. The cost of electricity and the initial investment in mining rigs can be substantial. It's crucial to weigh these costs against potential rewards. Finally, a word of caution. Beware of websites or programs promising to help you earn one Bitcoin daily for free. These are often scams. Mining and earning Bitcoin requires investment and effort. Always do your research and be skeptical of too good to be true offers. To recap, mining one Bitcoin solo is a complex and competitive process influenced by many factors. For most wolves, joining a mining pool or using cloud mining services can offer better results. Always consider the costs and stay vigilant against scams. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.